Hey guys, good morning. I don't even think I finished vlogging yesterday because you guys know I'm just the worst vlogger ever. Currently laying on the couch. It is Sunday, which is why I look so crazy. I slept so hard last night. I don't even remember. I think it was like 11 o'clock when I fell asleep finally, but I'm just laying here watching. And I'm sure you guys can hear the kids playing in their rooms, but I'm laying here watching Chris Lee Knows Best. I love watching this show. I don't watch very much TV. Excuse me, Mason. Go play. Oh, yeah, I had a piece of like dry skin right there. I'm sorry. Yeah, so I don't watch TV like very often. Although I have been trying to catch a few new series on Netflix, but yeah, like on Sundays and stuff when I'm just chilling, and I like watching the Chris Lee Knows Best reruns. So that's what I'm watching right now. He's so funny to me. His whole family is so funny. But I'm gonna get up in a minute so that I can put my roast on for you guys. And you guys know in previous vlogs I've showed me making the Mississippi roast, and I'm making that today as well. But this time I'm gonna try to remember to show you guys like the finished pot, because I always forget to show you guys like when the roast is actually done. And I know you guys want to see that. So yeah, I love making this. My family loves it, except for my daughter, my baby. She doesn't eat it. I always have to make her like something else. I don't always do that. Last time I made her sit there until she ate at least half of it. But I know at the end of the day, like I'm not gonna let her go to sleep hungry. She's only 3. So like I'll make her a sandwich or some chicken nuggets or something like that. But yeah, so that's basically all that I'm doing today. I think I also need to deep clean the bathrooms because I try to do that every weekend, unless I'm just super tired, but I'm fine today. I have some laundry to finish and that type of stuff. So yeah, today is Sunday. I really should be trying to make it to somebody's church, but my husband worked overnight, so he's still asleep. I'll probably have another cup of coffee, honestly, too, because I don't know, I just am in the mood for it. So yeah, you guys, look at my teeth. Every time I get on here and talk on camera, I see my teeth and I'm just like, oh, okay. So a quick little update on my teeth. So when I went to my last appointment, they told me, go finish playing. Okay, so when I went to my last appointment, they told me to keep wearing my rubber bands. I'll do like another update, like an official one, but they told me to keep wearing my rubber bands the way that I've been wearing them, which is from this, this line to the back, which I've been doing for like I think 3 months now. I have not been wearing my rubber bands, you guys. I try to at least wear them at night, or at least and for a little bit of the day, but honestly I just been forgetting. This is my bite though. Look who woke up. Stop. Say good morning.
I don't want a camera in my face.
He got his cup of coffee. Get your butt. He got his cup of coffee. Say hi, Lily.
You start telling me when you're gonna do that.
You know I'll be vlogging, babe. Stop it, Samaya. Okay, say good morning really quick. Let me.
I'm gonna say good morning.
Throw me a little peace sign up or something.
Good morning.
George Anthony.
Did you put his middle finger up?
My doctor says I have
Huh?
Did you put your middle finger up? That look
That's a
like
pinky.
no, that look like your middle finger.
Look at Leah. Lily.
Give me-
Lily.
Mommy.
Fix your shirt. I don't want to see your chi-chi.
Mommy, give me.
Yeah, nobody want to see that. Cover that up.
Anyways. Okay, you guys. So I have my roast in the pot. Ah! It's hot already. Oh my gosh. So I don't actually do the whole, like, I skipped the whole searing on the stove step because I think I did it one time, and honestly I really just couldn't tell the difference because I've done it like that once and then I was lazy the rest of the times. So I don't even do that part, and I don't think you have to, so don't feel like you have to do that step. But yeah, y'all have seen me do this thousands of times here on my channel, but I put everything in here, and yeah, I just throw my butter on the top like that. The recipe actually says do not add any water, but I like a little gravy on my potatoes, because even though I put potatoes on the bottom, I still do like mashed potatoes for hubby and the kids. Sorry, my husband called. So yeah, I just put water like just to barely cover the potatoes down there. I don't know if you guys can see, but that's basically all that I do, and then I let it do its thing. And I know it looks super full right now, which it is, but the butter is going to melt. I don't know why, I just feel like if I put the butter up there, it's gonna melt all over the meat rather than just, it's all the same thing anyways, it's just a mind thing. But yeah, that's basically it. All right, so we actually decided, my kitchen is kind of clean, as you guys can see. I have like a few things that I need to do. Also, I don't know if you guys can, it looks pretty like white, but I want to get up and do all of the cabinets and stuff again. Just because, you know how like you get something new and then you want it to obviously stay looking good, so you take care of it. So like with the house, I'm like, ugh. I've already been touching up the walls on spots where, you know, it's gotten like kind of dirty. I do need to do the baseboards. Honestly, I'm thinking about hiring a cleaner for once a month to do like a deep clean, you know, baseboards, that type of thing. Because yeah, I want to keep my house looking really nice. So anyways, we decided to go and see family today. So I think I'm about to get dressed, to get the kids dressed and stuff, so we can go visit. My mom's birthday is next week, but of course I won't be able to see her. So I think I'm gonna stop by there today and do a drop. So yeah, I'm gonna do that, and then once I get myself together, I will get back on here and talk to you guys. Look at you. Yeah, they outside playing in the backyard, and the dog's gonna be so tired. Look at Charlie. That's cute. Look at her. Everyday things you need to take care of around the house. Hey guys, what's up? I am just walking in the house from getting off of work. Today was a pretty good day, actually. So when I first got to work, no, Mason.
Mom.
Nope. I'm coming. Let me figure it out. So anyways, the kids are upset right now, but I got to work and they had donuts and some tulips, like some flowers. And they said today was all about me, and they got me some lunch as well. So I was very appreciative of that, because work is different. It's gonna be different for a while, but yeah, I was so happy. And my birthday was January 26th, if you guys didn't know, and so I guess it was kind of like a birthday thing as well. So I was really, really thankful for that. So yeah, I'm just now walking in, and I have to figure out what we're eating here, which I'll probably do salmon. I'm not like super hungry because I ate so much today at work, but I think I'm gonna do salmon for myself and some pork steaks and veggies and rice and gravy for them. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. Last time I made salmon, I made salmon on Saturday, but I actually I didn't have an appetite, so I didn't even eat it. So yeah, that's what's that's what I was gonna say that's what's up, but that's what I'm gonna do right now. Clean up a little bit to get these kids together. Mason hasn't been having the best preschool notes sent home. You know, preschool is obviously getting you ready for kindergarten, so they're getting him prepared for what he's gonna have to be ready for and all that stuff, and he's not. Yes, get it. Yes, his notes are not good, so we'll have to work on that as well. Like, see, it says he was. Yes, it says not getting along with others, putting hands on others, and that's a no-no always. Fussing and yelling at others, getting out of the lunch line, interrupting lessons several times. So, and yesterday, same thing, talking too much and too loud during work time, telling lies on others. So, definitely got to work with him on this. Excuse me, little dog. Hi, Twatty. Okay, so I've been talking to Mason, and he says he's going to do better, right? You're going to do better at school?
And I was been rubbing my mosquito bite.
Oh, yeah, I have a mosquito bite. He was rubbing it for me. But you're going to do better at school, right?
Yes, ma'am.
You're not going to tell any stories?
Nope.
You're going to listen?
Yes.
And do your work?
Yes.
Who called you today?
Nana.
They're going to kick you out. You keep acting like that. You don't want them to kick you out of school, do you?
Mommy, guess
Do you?
what?
Why are you not listening? I'm not playing.
I don't know.
Yeah, y'all. I just hate. I know kids are gonna be kids and stuff like that, and he's only 5. I keep saying he's 4 because he just turned 5. He's only 5, so I know he's gonna learn and everything of how he's supposed to, act. But he knows better because we don't play that. So every time you get a bad note,
You get a whoopee.
you're not supposed to get no more bad notes.
I
Okay?
turned in all my books for all the days.
You hear me?
Last week. Yes, ma'am.
What you say?
So I got my prize. I got a Hatchimal with stickers and a
Okay. Well, we also got progress reports today. You got some stuff that you need to work on.
And you have to sign it.
I know that, but we have things that you need to work on. Yeah, it's hard though because obviously so much has changed since I've been in school. So
Whoa.
I'm like struggling myself because I'm trying to look at her homework and help her out with it, but I'm like low key, I don't know what to do. Like if I'm being quite honest, like right now she's working on adding and subtract. What are you working on? Adding and subtracting within 1,000, like 1s, 10s, 100s place, that type of thing. And the stuff that they do now is just so different. Like I feel like it was so much easier back when I was in school. Her age. So yeah, we got to work on that as well. No electronics Monday through Thursday. They only get their electronics on the weekends and Fridays. So except for Aaliyah, but she plays learning games on my iPad.
No, she doesn't. She watches boring videos.
So yeah. Anyway, she's a baby. So I'm not worried about her right now. But yeah, and that's that. So I'm cooking dinner currently, and I'm about to put them in the bath actually. Ooh, Mason. My legs are sore. I'm not playing with you about these bad notes.
them.
I'm not playing.
I love them.
I tried to work out the other day, so my legs are like super, super sore.
I love them.
My feet are like, I just got done cleaning. I was listening to music cleaning, which is why I have this in my ear. I don't know why I still have it. What was I doing? Cleaning up, cooking, standing on my feet. So, and I just made Samaya wash the dishes because I was just busy. And then I went behind her to make sure she did a good job, and she did. So, yep, that's basically it for this Wednesday. What's today? For this Tuesday evening. Hope you guys had a great day. Oh, on another note, I cannot believe Miss Ming herself. Ming is pregnant. Like, but like, that is so crazy to me. But it's such I know babies are blessings, such a blessing. But I know she's like, oh, because she just got her surgery. Like, she just had her BBL or whatever. So I know she's like, and I told her, I said, every time you get fined, your man want to come and get you pregnant. Like, our men don't want us to get fined. They want us to look sloppy. And then as soon as we try to get fined, they go ahead and knock us up. But yeah, congrats to Ming, to Marseille. But yeah, I'm cooking, y'all, and I'm burning my food, so let me handle that. So me and Samaya just did a little store run. Is your seatbelt on? Did you put your seatbelt on?
Yeah, it's on.
So we had to get some things for spaghetti because we're gonna eat spaghetti tonight. It's about to rain. The weather looks like it's gonna get pretty crazy, but it's probably just gonna be like thunderstorms. It's 72 degrees right now. Stop. But yeah, so we're headed back home. I live right by the grocery store, well, by a grocery store, and it's kind of, I would compare it to like an Aldi or something. I love that store because everything is always on sale. Now some stuff is a little bit higher than like your regular grocery store, but like I got all my stuff for dinner tonight for $10. Well, actually it was $9.60, so I'm happy about that. We are eating, what are we eating?
Spaghetti.
Spaghetti. I figured I could just make a pot of spaghetti really quick because I really don't feel like cooking, and
You never feel like cooking.
I cook all the time. I cook every single night.
No, you never feel like cooking. You just cook anyway from the start because we had nothing in the house.
Yeah, there's nothing where y'all can just eat besides like sandwiches and stuff, but then you guys are gonna be back hungry. If they could eat like peanut butter and jelly sandwiches and stuff like that every day, they would, because they just asked me for that. But I'm gonna cook. Isn't her hair so cute? She wanted her hair like this today.
I look like a princess that had this down their neck. So
She has like a bun on the top and
I
then
like
down.
I got a princess that's getting married, but they don't have the white thing.
Oh, they can't see your earrings. Oh, Yeah, they're like rainbows. They're so adorable. But anyways, her hair is so cute too, and it's like I wish my hair was still like that. Which my hair is okay. It's not like the best because my hair used to be like hers. I'm sorry, it's so hot. Oh my god. Oh my god. My hair used to be just like hers, but my mom didn't really know how to manage my hair, and then I didn't either. So I ended up getting like 2 perms. I think I told you guys this before. I'm pretty sure.
Mommy,
so like it's not all the way straight, and then it has like heat damage and stuff like that. But her hair is so pretty.
And that's why I say Camden's not the right place to be.
What is?
Camden's not the right place to be.
Camden is not the right place to be. Why?
It's old. There's nothing in that town except for a beautiful hair store.
Yes, they got a bad beauty supply store. We don't have one here. Where I live in the city that I live, there is no beauty supply stores. I know it sounds so crazy, but where I live, there is no beauty supply stores, but there is one.
And Benton?
By me, there's not even one in Benton. There's one in Little Rock, which is right by me, like 20 minutes from me. Probably not even that long. I'd say about 20 minutes though. They have a couple. They have a bunch, but we don't have none. But our hometown, which is where she's talking about, is old and nothing to do. They have a good beauty supply store. I was really surprised when I went in there.
Well, when I was a baby, I never thought Camden was like a horror or anything. I thought it was really good because we used to live there. Like, hello, why wouldn't you like it? Because you live there. So, since we moved and my mom's born in California, but then she moved to Camden. I don't know why she did. And I was born in Camden, but then we moved to Bryant, and now I feel like I'm in a peaceful world. But with people with too many dogs. We have a dog named Charlie. She is adorable. She is so hyper. You would not want a dog like her.
Yeah, she is very hyper, but she's only 3 months, Samaya. She's a baby. She doesn't know.
What? I thought she was 1 year old.
I'm about to pull up into the house, you guys, so I will see you guys inside.
Mommy,
now that I'm back in the house, they don't actually look terrible. I don't know if y'all can really see. They actually came out nice today. Like, they're really nice. Like, this side is frizzy. The weather is crazy, so my hair is for sure frizzy. But yeah, got the spaghetti, almost, and then the bread. I did. Say hi to the vlog. Where you been? Come on, let me see your muscle.
Where'd you get the paperwork?
In the car.
Okay. I just got back from the gym.
What'd you work out?
Everything.
So what was you supposed to do today? Stop, Mason. Hi. Excuse me. Put it back down. What was you supposed to do for me?
Oh, I will. I'll write you out a list of stuff to work out.
Yeah,
It's gonna be a bunch of squats and stuff. It's not.
Yeah, but you want to be the only fine one in the relationship, and you don't want to help me. Y'all look, mom life. Hey y'all, we're probably gonna end the vlog here, but I'm about to tackle Aaliyah's hair because we got to get ready for school. So we got some news on. Look, I got this basket to fold, that basket to fold. I'm like behind, but yeah, say have a good day. I can't see you.
Have a good day.
All right, y'all. Bye.